Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. In a bowl, crack 4 eggs. Use room temperature eggs if possible. They whisk more easily and make the batter lighter. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd be so happy for you to join our little community. Whisk gently until smooth. Whisking by hand lets us control the texture and keeps the cake soft. Add 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder. Whisk again until the sugar dissolves and the mixture looks pale and creamy. Sugar sweetens and also helps create a tender crumb, while vanilla adds that warm bakery aroma. Pour in 1 cup of yogurt. Whisk until fully combined. Yogurt gives moisture and a slight tang that balances the sweetness. Next, add half a cup of vegetable oil. Mix well until the batter looks silky and smooth. Oil keeps the cake soft and tender even the next day. Set a sieve over the bowl and add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Sift directly into the wet ingredients. Sifting aerates the flour and blends the baking powder evenly. Whisk gently, just until combined. Take your time with this step. The gentler you mix, the lighter your cake will turn out. Now, add another 1 cup of flour. Sift again. Sifting a second time keeps the batter light and prevents any lumps. And whisk carefully. Try not to overmix. A gentle hand keeps the cake fluffy. If you're enjoying the recipe so far, please don't forget to give this video a like. It really helps my channel grow. Now, let's prepare the cherries. Take 2 pounds, or about 1 kilogram of fresh cherries. Remove the pits. It takes a few minutes, but it's worth it for a cake without hard bites. I always enjoy hearing where you're watching from, so let me know in the comments. What country, state, or city are you in today? I love seeing pictures of your cities, and I truly enjoy how you all connect in the comments. If you have any questions about the recipe or need any tips, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Place 1 cup or 200 grams of the cherries in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of flour. Mix well. The flour coats the fruit and prevents juices from sinking to the bottom of the cake as it bakes. Next, prepare your baking pan by spreading a small piece of soft butter evenly over the bottom and sides with a brush. This ensures the cake will release easily after baking. Pour half of the batter into the prepared pan. Let it fall gently into the center so it spreads naturally. Then spread it evenly with a spatula. This will create a nice level base for the cherries and help the cake bake uniformly. Then layer the flour-coated cherries over the batter. Pour in the remaining batter, smoothing the top again. Finally, add the last portion of flour-coated cherries over the surface. Bake at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes. While the cake is baking, let's make the cherry sauce. In a saucepan, combine the remaining fresh cherries with 1 cup of sugar. Stir with a spoon to coat the cherries and release some juice. Add about 1 cup of water and mix well. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, stirring occasionally. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, whisking quickly so no lumps form. Let it simmer for another couple of minutes until slightly thickened, then remove from the heat. For the cream, place 1 1/4 cups of cream cheese into a bowl. Add 2/3 of a cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder. Beat with a mixer until smooth and creamy. While continuing to beat, gradually pour in 2/5 of a cup, or 100 milliliters of heavy cream. Mix just until it becomes light and fluffy. Take the baked cake out of the oven and let it cool slightly. The surface will be golden and the kitchen filled with a sweet cherry aroma. Now, spoon the warm cherry sauce over the top. Spread it evenly with a spoon, making sure every bite will have that bright, fruity layer. I love how the sauce soaks a little into the cake, adding extra juiciness. Next, add the cream cheese topping. Smoothing it gently over the sauce. This moment always feels so satisfying. The white cream over the red sauce looks beautiful and gives the cake that finished, festive look. Finally, sprinkle with almond flakes for a bit of crunch and elegance. Cut a slice and take a moment to admire it. The soft cake, juicy cherries, and creamy topping come together beautifully. Each bite is tender, fruity, and just sweet enough. It's the kind of cake that brings comfort and feels perfect for sharing with family over tea. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I hope this recipe brings warmth to your kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking!